Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change your featured profile stories or pictures on Facebook. So in order to do this, let's open your Facebook app, then select this icon or go for the profile picture, edit your profile, here scroll down and see the featured. So let's try it. Here add any picture that you want and go for the next. You can add the title and make sure to save the setting afterwards. Now this should be featured on your profile right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.